Welcome back, folks. Fourth set just about ready to start. And that third set, of course, obviously Ateneo made their run, got the set, and the reason are these numbers right here, Ann.
Well, looking at it, makikita natin in terms of attacks, blocking, and serving, lamang ang Ateneo. Sila naman lumamang ngayon over Philippine Army. And I guess what didn't help the Philippine Army was the fact that pareho lang sila ng errors ng Ateneo. So Ateneo delivering more in terms of all across the departments, but in terms of numbers or the numbers of errors that they've committed, halos pareho lang.
Exactly what happened. You mentioned errors, and Rachel Andakis had her fair share of errors at during the end of that third set. No, meron siyang dalawang attack errors, and that cost them the match. And for Ateneo, humigpit yung depensa ng Ateneo. Whether it's the blocking or the floor defense, they kept their composure and really converted those good defensive stops into great attacks, and that's what got them that third set. And now we're in a fourth. Sabi ko nga, nagbago yung complexion itong match na to. And Ateneo, can't count it out. Remember, they've won championships already here in the Shakey's V-League, so they know what it takes to close out a match and be at par with the best of the best.
And you know, looking at the third set, of course, it's no surprise. No, Valdez will definitely be one of the top scorers with 8 points. Tinitingnan ko rin, no, but Ahomiro, she's been quite silent pero very consistent lang inside the court. She scored 3 points in the third set. Meanwhile, for the Philippine Army, ito, binanggit mo rin to kanina na nang pumasok si Gutierrez, very consistent din yung performance, and she really delivered the points. She scored 4 in the third set, while Bunag and Dakis both scored 2 points each.
Ito lang for the Philippine Army. Pinahinga nila si Ers Iratay, pero ang pumalit si Tina Salak.
Oh, yun din eh. Pareho lang eh. Parang it's a choice between these two very talented setters.
And Tina Salak is actually ranked as number 1 lang naman.
Hindi naman pala masyadong mataas.
Hindi naman masyadong mataas. Kaya pinang-sub lang si Tina Salak. Number 1 lang naman siya as best setter.
Okay lang, 1 lang naman pala.
Ba't kaya pinasok pa, no?
Oo.
And that's such a luxury, you know. Tina Salak, the experience alone, napakahirap ng pantayan. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Short serve from Tina. Ayun, hinabol ni Tina. Good save from Joan Bunag. Look,
Michelle not wasting any time.
The Army not wasting any time at all. They have kept Ateneo at 0-point production. Let's listen in. Let's look at the previous play. John Bunag saves it. Salak was gonna set it, pero nakita niya si Carolino, palipad na eh.
Oh, sabi ni Michelle, hindi na kailangan. No need. We don't have to waste time. Parang nagmamadali din tong mga to, no? 5-0. They're making sure
What happened to Ateneo?
Well, again, it's the reception. We're seeing that Ateneo is having some difficulties here.
Ganda no set.
With their first ball. Oh, excellent attack from Ella.
Tina Salak.
Oh! Setting error.
Tina, I know you're number 1, but
you can't
have me like say it if you're gonna have those 2 touches on the set. So Tina, you know what I mean? Hindi ko pwedeng sabing number 1 ka, tapos ganyan ka mag-set. Ayan, bumawi.
Only goes to show still human.
Tao lang.
Tao lang.
6-1.
They still have a very comfortable lead. And kita natin, no, ginawa talaga ng Army. Very aggressive start pa lang nitong fourth set. But Joan Bunag
has I had a couple of those already.
Sending her ball out.
Let's see Ella. It's her turn to serve. This is good. Nice set for Jack. Off speed, Tina Salak. Nako, tapat na tapat yung drop. That's one of the favorite plays of Mayet. She goes in faking for a differential combination. Then she moves back to a back set of Tina Salak.
And that's not very easy kasi dapat maganda yung footwork mo.
Oo. Ganda nung bato. Uy, sayang.
That
But
one?
still, they get the point. Rachel, makita mo, she's being very careful this time on her attacks, no? After those errors in the third. Philippine Army on top, 8-2. We'll be back.